We're going to be a shorter video today. We're going to make a quick test run of the Johnson Red 2149 that I've been playing with. Give it a quick run and see how she does. She's ported up a bit on the spicier side, 8-pin sprocket, all that stuff, you know. Let's see how she does today and see if we got any bugs to work out. You know, it's not uncommon to have to work out some bugs. It's actually pretty common. But I think this saw's getting close. We got all sorts of parts on this since the last time. A lot of, she's basically rebuilt. The port job's a little different, all that stuff. And we'll see if we notice any difference. Alrighty, so check it out. Probably a short video for today. Let's make some cuts. All right, let's see if we can blow this guy up again. First time I'm going to try to put it in wood. Since how many times did I tear this saw apart between the last time it was in wood and now? So who knows? It's been tore down a lot. First cut's in the wood. Hopefully she's all good and ready to go now. Alrighty. I'm focused more on the tune right now. This is some pretty hard oak, so I'm just really mostly just focused on the tune right now. We'll move to another piece of wood as things progress, something a little better suited, and see how she goes. So we're just focused on the tune right now, and then we'll start making some better cuts. It is running an 8-pin sprocket, so I'm hoping for enough torque to pull an 8-pin sprocket with authority. All right. It's got a pretty healthy misfire. Did you guys pick up on that? So I'm going to go through the electrical system. Now it's just this misfire. I think the port job's good, but I got to sort out this misfire issue. So it's a different switch now, so I doubt it's a switch. So something in the wiring, in the plug, or the timing could be off. That's why you see me shut it off the way that I did. I shut it off hard in the cut so I can pull the plug out and read it and kind of, you know, it might give me a clue of what to look for. But I think once I get that misfire cleaned up, it'll be good to go. Just got to figure that out. It could just need a timing advance or something. But, you know, this is still on the factory timing setup. So it could, I got a feeling that it's not a timing advance issue. I don't know. I've only ever ran into it whenever the timing was running too early. You know what I mean? And since I'm still sitting in a factory position, I don't think it's a timing issue. So we're gonna tear into it and see. It may not. It just might want a different plug. You never know. So that's our next step here on this guy. I think you guys got a pretty good idea of how it performs. It's not having any trouble really with that 8-pin sprocket. It's the misfire, and the misfire is making, I don't know, it's kind of got the tune. Like, it doesn't matter if I go rich or lean or whatever. It doesn't change really the performance of the saw much. You know, she's just not firing on all cylinders. Like, we're not really not firing. Yeah, we're not really that, but you know what I mean though. She's not hitting every time. So let's sort that out and then go from there. Could just have a bad spark plug wire. You know, you never know. But I think we're getting pretty freaking close. If I wouldn't have had that misfire, I'd say this saw was done. Really. So there we go. The 2149. She's back together and running. I killed it heavy in the cut. I shut it off heavy in the cut. And whenever you do that, you pull the plug and you look at the plug. That tells you if your tune was lean or rich or whatever. And, you know, you never know. You could get a clue. What do you guys think? Pre-ignition? I'm wondering if I got pre-ignition is what I'm actually starting to think. We'll see. We'll see what's going on. I don't know. Something tells me it's not pre-ignition though. So time will tell. I'll have to sort it out and let you guys know. Alrighty. So, hey, later. So I just pulled the plug out. There's what our tune looks like. Little tad bit dark, you know, but check it out right here. See that? Let's see what we got going on there. This thing came out on me. It was in there all flopping around. So I'll throw a new plug in it. We'll give it another test run and see if that changes anything. Alrighty.